In Sonoma County, among the hills and trees of West Sebastopol, lies a 3 1/3 acre private country estate. Welcome to 3364 Thorn Road. This beautiful property offers many alternative living styles with multiple structures and the potential of multifamily living. On this quiet, tranquil property, you will find an attached living space, main house, large finished workshop with a loft, fireplace, and an additional storage area. This property is a delight for the artist, creator, or gardener. The main house has flexible living space with a large great room, a fireplace, and a wood stove. There are also 2 baths. The kitchen, with attached greenhouse, has a skylight, travertine tile, and limestone sink. Large office with expansive views. An attached independent living space with a private deck and entrance has tons of charm. Enjoy the views of the art studio cottage, nestled in the heart of the beautiful rose garden. You may even have visitors, including deer, turkey, and quail. Wander the wooded hillside or follow the pathway to the wooden bridge. On the other side of a small seasonal stream is the Angel's Nest, a detached, private, self-contained living space with 1 bath, a large deck, and a wood stove for warmth on a cold night. This home features lovely panoramic views with extraordinary year-round sunsets, beautifully landscaped yard with colorful rose garden and fruit trees. Enjoy the shaded fish pond and waterfall. This property offers the Sebastopol dream. Buyers to explore improvements to ensure it meets their personal needs. Use your imagination. The possibilities are endless.